Kids are walking through our doors, sometimes on an hourly basis.
At West Lafayette Junior Senior High School, veteran counselor Libby Sheffield has never been busier.
But a lot this year is just needing some of that emotional support to get through their day.
Nationwide, doctors are raising the red flag.
We're seeing this in our offices and in our hospitals. Just so many children and families who are really struggling.
Mental health experts have been calling this a crisis for several years, but they say the pandemic and all that social isolation made it even worse. Last year, ERs across the country saw a big spike in the number of kids as young as 5 years old coming through the doors with a mental health emergency.
Riley Hospital for Children in Indianapolis saw a 51% increase in the number of admissions for adolescent and pre-adolescent suicide attempts. The American Academy of Pediatrics and other groups now declaring their own state of emergency. One of the problems, they say, is a critical lack of access to help.
It was very hard for children and families to access mental health services when they needed them. And what we've seen over the course of the past year and a half with the pandemic is that those concerns have gotten even worse.
They insist as a nation we need more mental health providers in school, at the doctor's office, and in the community to prevent, in some cases, what can be a months-long wait for an appointment.
There seems to be more awareness of it right now, and so who wouldn't be grateful for that? But, we need to do something. And I think that that's the frustration that we are, the point that we're at right now.
While they wait for long-term solutions, Sheffield's school secured a grant to hire more help. And they say everyone in the community also plays an important role, from parents to coaches to teachers.
Give the student a chance to just talk, because sometimes that's all they need is just an adult to talk to who will not judge them, who will not grade them, but who will be there and support them.